One hen walks with chicks so bright. 8 little puffballs. Oh, what a sight. Peep, peep, peep. The second chick running playfully around a small tree, while the hen and other chicks cheer. Bright Pixar colors with motion blur showing speed. The third chick pecking at a hen on the ground, while the hen looks proud, and the other chicks clap their little wings. A royal touch, sharing in kindness ground, seen with the fourth chick joyfully splashing in puddles. The hen spreads her wings to keep the other chicks dry. Pixar-style water splashes flowing. Cheepa!
Chick number 6 likes to hop, hop, hop.
The 8th chick snuggled up to the hen lovingly, while the other chicks gathered around in a cozy group hug under the warm evening sunset.